Welcome. Today in front of me HUAWEI P50 Pro, and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So I just set up my face recognition a couple of minutes ago here, as can you see. So I just can unblock the device, and now I'll just try make 5 tries to unlock my device, and we'll see how fast the face recognition unlock method is on this HUAWEI P50 Pro, and if this method is really useful. So let's start it. First, second, third, and fifth. So as can you see, that's my opinion, that the face recognition option feature is really work really fast here on our HUAWEI. So I just can lock my device less than in 1 second. So just if you like some unlock methods like the face recognition, I just suggest you to try it on your HUAWEI P50 Pro, but always be sure that your camera is clean here, just to unlock your device more faster. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.